We're going to show you how to set up scan to Google Drive. We will also show you how to print from the Google Drive after we have scanned a sample document. This will be done on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 printer. So let us head over to the control panel. So from the control panel, let us set up Google Drive. Go to Apps. We need to enable web services, so select OK. HP Web Services has been enabled. Select OK. So these are the apps. Select Drive. We need to set up an account. So go to the following URL on our PC or mobile device and enter this one-time activation code. Let's do that. So from our computer, start up your Chrome browser and key in the URL as stated on the control panel. Connect a device. Enter the one-time activation code over here. Go to Next. Select the account. We'll select Tech Tips. We need to sign into our Tech Tips account. Key in the password and go to Next. eStorage Google Drive by HP wants to access our Google account. Select Allow. Success! The device is now connected to our Tech Tips Google Drive. Let's head back to our printer control panel. Once we have set up the Google Drive on our computer and our account, select Confirm. The login is successful. Would you like this device to remember your email for quicker access? We'll select Yes, else we will need to set up our account on this printer with a new activation code each time we want to use the Google Drive. So for security reasons, let's create a 4-digit PIN. Let's continue. So this is the Google Drive. Let's scan and upload. So this is the Google Drive. Let's change the file name. We'll change it to Test. So the file type, we can select as PDF or JPEG. We'll let it remain as PDF. The paper size is A4. For the resolution, we'll leave it as 150 dpi. We'll leave the color on. So let's place the document onto the ADF on our printer. So this is the document that we want to scan to our Google Drive. We'll place it onto the ADF. The document has been placed onto the ADF. Let's select Scan. The document has been uploaded. We can scan more documents if needed. For now, we'll select No. Let's go back to the home screen. So you can either check the document that you have just scanned and uploaded to your Google Drive using your computer, or for this next exercise, we will opt to Print. From the control panel, go to Apps. Select Drive. Let's log in. So we can view and print from our Google Drive. Select View and Print. Select HP Smart. Select Scan from HP folder. And that is our test document that we have just scanned to Google Drive. Select that. So here are some print settings. The two-sided is off. We'll select color to be on, so it will print in color. It will be one copy and our paper size is A4. Once that is ready, select Print. So this is the document that we have just printed from our Google Drive. And over here on the right, that is the original document that we have scanned to our Google Drive. So we have just showed you how to set up our Google Drive on the control panel and scan and upload a document, as well as view and print a document from our Google Drive. And all this is being done on the control panel on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 printer.